Pause for a moment. Feel life's soft whispers calling you gently. Imagine a reset button. Each breath you take presses it gently. Let go of distractions. Embrace harmony as you engage in this pause. Your mind is like a clear river, overflowing with tranquil clarity and peace. Every inhale renews, every exhale releases. Embrace this balance like a dance. Let the simplicity of the moment bring profound depth to your being. Feel the stillness settling within you, like a gentle snowfall on a quiet night. With each breath, embrace a new beginning, a fresh start, a boundless horizon. The present moment is your canvas, painted vibrantly with awareness and calm. Carry this sense of renewal forward. Begin again with clarity and hope.